Most people think high knees burn maximum fat, but small mistakes ruin results completely. One wrong move can turn this simple exercise into wasted effort with no fat burn. You are not just moving fast, you should be burning calories efficiently and correctly. Stay until the end because this will completely change your high knees performance forever. Most beginners perform this exercise incorrectly and never understand why results stay slow. They rush movement without control and lose proper posture during exercise. Their knees stay too low and intensity drops significantly during repetitions. This reduces calorie burn and limits overall fat loss effectiveness. Many believe speed matters most, but height and control drive results. High knees are powerful cardio exercises targeting core, legs, and endurance. They elevate heart rate quickly and improve cardiovascular fitness effectively. When performed correctly, they maximize calorie burn and fat loss potential. This creates strong metabolic effect during and after workout sessions. But this only works when your form is correct and controlled properly. Here's where most people start making critical mistakes without realizing. Keeping knees too low reduces activation and lowers workout intensity. Leaning back breaks posture and reduces efficiency significantly. Weak arm movement limits power and reduces overall performance. Slow rhythm decreases heart rate and reduces calorie burn. Now let's fix everything step by step using correct technique. Stand tall with your chest up and core engaged tightly. Lift one knee up to hip level with explosive movement. Switch legs quickly while maintaining control and balance. Pump your arms aggressively to generate power and rhythm. Stay light on your feet to maintain speed and agility. Keep breathing steady throughout the movement sequence. Maintain consistent rhythm instead of slowing down randomly. Focus on lifting knees higher rather than just moving faster. Stop. This is where most people lose results without realizing. They move fast but keep knees too low for effectiveness. Speed without height reduces calorie burn significantly. Poor posture reduces stability and overall performance. Weak arm drive limits power and coordination. Inconsistent rhythm reduces intensity and workout efficiency. Fix these mistakes and your results will improve instantly. When done correctly, your heart rate will spike quickly. Your legs, core, and arms will work together efficiently. This increases calorie burn and improves endurance significantly. You will feel stronger and more explosive during movement. Over time, your fat loss becomes faster and more noticeable. Correct form leads to better results and lower injury risk. Focus on quality movement rather than just speed. Consistency with proper technique builds long-term results. Most people fail because they ignore basics and chase speed. Mastering fundamentals leads to better performance and faster progress. Controlled movement improves coordination and muscle activation efficiency. Every repetition should be intentional and executed with awareness. This mindset creates better results without increasing workout duration. Small improvements in form create massive transformation changes. Your nervous system adopts faster with controlled, precise movements. This builds strong foundation for advanced cardio exercises later. Always listen to your body and avoid pushing beyond limits. Progress gradually instead of rushing intensity too early. Consistency always beats intensity when training for fat loss. Keep practicing until correct form becomes natural movement pattern. Over time, endurance, strength, and coordination will improve. This combination leads to better fat burning and performance. Your body responds best when movements are controlled and powerful. This is how athletes train smart and avoid injuries. Fat loss becomes more efficient with proper technique and consistency. Now you understand how to perform high knees correctly. Apply these principles and improve your workout results immediately. Remember, proper form is the foundation of all fitness success. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep improving every session. Your future physique depends on habits you build today. Train smart, protect your body, and build real strength. Stay patient, stay consistent, and results will follow. Keep pushing forward and stay committed to your training. Do it right and your fat loss will accelerate faster. Subscribe now and start burning fat correctly with smarter workouts today.